Dear student, good morning all. Today I am going to teach you about the listen the sentence with the help of some examples. कुछ दिशा निर्देश है जिससे मैं आपको अवगत कराना चाह रहा हूँ, और वो है कि बहुत से बच्चे कापियों के बारे में बार बार पूछ रहे हैं, बार बार मैसेज भेज रहे हैं। तो ये अच्छी बात है, जानकारी प्राप्त कर लेना। इसी उद्देश्य से मैं आपको भी जानकारी इस वीडियो में देने का प्रयास कर रहा हूँ, और हम समझते हैं कि सभी लोग इस वीडियो को देखिए, अपने व्यूज़ को दीजिए, और जो गाइडलाइन टीचर के द्वारा दी गई है उसको 100% फॉलो करने का प्रयास कीजिए। तो आपको इंग्लिश में 3 कापियाँ बनानी हैं। सबसे पतली कापी आप सप्लीमेंट्री के लिए बनाएंगे, उससे मोटी कापी आप जो है रीडर के लिए बनाएंगे, और एक लॉन्ग कापी जैसे मैथमेटिक्स वगैरह हम बनाते हैं उस प्रकार से एक कापी आप इंग्लिश ग्रामर की बना लीजिए। तो ग्रामर के विषय में यही दिशा निर्देश है, और आप इसके बाद ये करेंगे कि कापी पर कवर जरूर चढ़ा देंगे, और इंडेक्स वाली कापी खरीदेंगे जिसमें इंडेक्स दिया होगा, ताकि इंडेक्स को फिल करने में आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो। इंडेक्स भी भरते रहिए, कापी पर कवर चढ़ा लीजिए। और चूंकि इंग्लिश लिटरेचर सब्जेक्ट है तो इसमें हैंड राइटिंग का बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंस होता है। तो हैंड राइटिंग बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन, बाय मेंटेनिंग वर्ड गैपिंग, बाय यूजिंग फुल स्टॉप, इंटरोगेटिव सिंबल, एक्सक्लेमेटिव सिंबल एंड सो ऑन, जो भी होता है उसका आप उचित प्रयोग करिए, कहीं भूलिए नहीं। कट पिट बिल्कुल ना हो, कापी बिल्कुल साफ सुथरा हो, और जब विद्यालय का गाइडलाइन मिलेगी कापी आप सबमिट कर दीजिए, तो उस समय आप कापी को सबमिट करके चेक करा लीजिए टीचर से। ये है, और ये काम आप 100% मतलब करेंगे कि जब भी मेरा वीडियो जाता है उसी डेट में उसको आपको वीडियो को यानी लेक्चर को बाकायदे सुनना भी है, और प्लस अपनी कापी अपने रिकॉर्ड पर नोट भी बना लेना है। कल पर नहीं छोड़ना। जो कल पर लोग छोड़ते हैं वो प्रॉब्लम में फंसते हैं, और प्रयास हो कि उसके अगले दिन आप उसको रेडी भी कर लें। और जो भी चैप्टर मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ उसमें मैं तो पढ़ा ही रहा हूँ, आपके पास भी बुक है ग्रामर की या अदर सब्जेक्ट की, उससे भी आप स्टडी करिए। ग्रामर से आप उसकी एक्सरसाइज करने का प्रयास कीजिए, और सब्जेक्ट को एक अच्छे इम्प्रूवमेंट में लाने का प्रयास कीजिए। हम आपके साथ हैं, जो भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम होगी दूर करने का प्रयास करेंगे। क्योंकि हम लोग डायरेक्ट नहीं हैं, इनडायरेक्ट हैं, फिर भी मैं बार बार प्रयास करूंगा कि आपकी समस्याओं को सॉल्व करता रहूं। तो इस वीडियो में इन दिस वीडियो I will try to know about the sentence on the basis of structure of sentence and according to their sense. तो हम इसको जानने का प्रयास करेंगे। We will try to know about this, and I have taken 10 sentences, and now I will identify these sentences into main 4 kinds of sentences. First, declarative; second, interrogative; third, imperative; and fourth, exclamatory. In these 4 types of sentences, we will identify these 10 sentences in which the sentence is dependent. Okay? Now, look towards the blackboard. The name of the chapter is the sentence. The name of the chapter is the sentence. Direction of the question: identify. Identify means आपको पहचानना है, आपको डिवाइड करना है। आइडेंटिफाई मीन्स पहचान करना कि ये किस प्रकार का सेंटेंस है। ये सेंटेंस डिक्लेरेटिव है, आर इंट्रोगेटिव, आर इम्परेटिव, आर एक्सक्लेमेटरी. Then identify the type of these sentences. First, get out. Get out. First of all, I will try to understand the sense of the sentence, and this sentence declare about order. About order means get out. The sentence in which we express order, request, command, etc. known as imperative sentence. Known as imperative sentence. A sentence in which we express order, command, request is known as imperative sentence. So, get out, it is under order. So, the sentence get out is under imperative sentence. Now, I will go to the next sentence. Do you know that man? Do you know that man? Means in this sentence, we are asking question. We are asking question. A sentence in which we ask question is known as interrogative sentence. Is known as interrogative sentence. So, with the help of this sentence, we are asking question. So, it is interrogative sentence. It is interrogative sentence. And now I will get to the third sentence is come here at once. Come here at once. Means it is also under order, command and request. So this sentence is must be imperative sentence. What? Imperative sentence, because this sentence also contains order, command or request. Oh, that is great news. It is a great surprise. This sentence tells me about a great surprise. So, the sentence in which we get a great surprise is known as exclamation sentence. So, oh, that is great news. Also, be an exclamatory sentence. Please help me. Please help me. On the basis of the sense of sentence, means a sentence in which we express order, command, request is known as imperative sentence. So, please help me. Please help me. The sentence related to imperative sentence means it is imperative sentence. Means it is imperative sentence. Now I will go to the sixth sentence. Who is knocking the door? Who is knocking the door? Who is knocking the door? Means in this sentence we are asking question. In this sentence we are asking question. So this sentence is also interrogative sentence. This sentence must be interrogative sentence because in this sentence we are asking question. Now I will go to the seventh sentence. You are driving too fast. You are driving too fast. Only this sentence expresses about our declaration. About our declaration. So Again look, sentence 7. You are driving too fast. You are driving too fast. In this sentence, we are declaring something. In this sentence, we are declaring something. So, the sentence you are driving too fast. The sentence you are driving too fast must be declarative sentence. Must be declarative sentence. Because any person when gives any declaration by a sentence like you are driving too fast, then this sentence must be declarative sentence. And I wish I were the Queen of England. In this sentence, we are expressing a surprise, and the happens that is not possible 100% in the future. Like the sentence, we always use was with I, but look carefully, word is used with I in this sentence, and this word expresses that the happening in the future is not possible. Surely, it may be or it not. So, this sentence must be exclamatory sentence. So, this sentence must be exclamatory sentence. Now, I will go to the sentence number 9. I took some money out of ATM. I took some money out of ATM. In this sentence, we are declaring something. In this sentence, or with the help of this sentence, we are declaring something. We are declaring something. The sentence in which we declare something, then that sentence is known as declarative sentence. So, I took some money out of the ATM must be a declarative sentence. And now I will go to the sentence number 10. What is sentence number 10? Now I will write, what is your name? What is your name? In this sentence, we are asking a question. We are asking a question, means I am trying to know about your name. By the sentence, means with the help of the sentence, we are asking a question to you. So, the sentence in which we ask question is known as interrogative sentence. Okay, student? Thanks.
थैंक यू सर. चलिए